I'm Athena. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're tackling a thought-provoking question. When she's more into him, can it work? Relationships are a delicate balance of emotions and dynamics, and this scenario raises interesting questions about compatibility, communication, and mutual understanding. Whether you've experienced this firsthand or are curious about how it unfolds, this video will explore whether such dynamics can lead to successful relationships. So sit back, relax, and let's delve into this intriguing topic together. Ever been in a relationship where the love levels seem a tad off? Like one person's building a romantic Taj Mahal while the other's content with a cozy cabin. It's like that awkward moment when you realize your love language is fluent Shakespeare and theirs is more like emoji speak. Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there, navigating the choppy waters of unbalanced affection. It's like that old saying, one person's I love you is another person's please pass the salt. But hey, relationships aren't always about perfectly mirrored emotions. Sometimes it's about finding that sweet spot where differences complement each other, creating a love story that's uniquely yours. Okay, maybe a little competition isn't always a bad thing. In fact, it can sometimes add a bit of excitement and energy to our daily lives. Think about it. A friendly challenge can push us to be better, to strive for more, and to keep things interesting. A little playful banter, a dash of good-natured teasing. These can actually spice things up. It's like adding a pinch of salt to a dish. It enhances the flavor and makes everything more enjoyable. When both partners are in on the joke, it can create a bond that's both fun and strong. But when it comes to matters of the heart, respect reigns supreme. Respect is the foundation upon which all healthy relationships are built. Without it, even the most playful banter can turn into hurtful jabs. It's crucial to always keep in mind the feelings and boundaries of your partner. It's like the golden rule of relationships. Treat your partner's feelings with the same care you'd give a slice of your favorite pizza. You wouldn't want to drop that precious slice on the floor, right? Similarly, handle your partner's emotions with care and consideration. Because let's be real, nobody wants to feel like they're constantly playing catch-up in the affection department. Feeling like you're always the one giving more can lead to resentment and frustration. It's important to ensure that both partners feel equally cherished and valued. It's about finding a balance where both partners feel valued, appreciated, and yes, even a little bit adored. Small gestures of love and appreciation can go a long way in making your partner feel special. Whether it's a simple compliment, a surprise note, or just a warm hug, these actions can strengthen your bond. Think of it like a dance where both partners move in sync, creating a beautiful, harmonious relationship. Just like in a dance, communication and understanding are key. When both partners are attuned to each other's needs and desires, they can move together gracefully, creating a relationship that's both dynamic and harmonious. Communication, the magical bridge connecting two different worlds, or in this case, two different love languages. It's about expressing your needs, desires, and yes, even those occasional moments of, wait, why are you doing that? Think of it like this. If relationships were a romantic comedy, communication would be the witty dialogue that keeps the audience engaged. Without it, you're just two people staring blankly at each other, wondering what the other is thinking. And let's be honest, nobody wants to end up like those couples in bad sitcoms, right? So talk to each other, share your thoughts, your dreams, your fears, and even your weird obsessions with miniature furniture. Section 4. Shared values. Because matching sweatpants aren't enough. Sure, matching outfits are cute, but you know what's even cuter? Sharing a set of core values that form the bedrock of your relationship. We're talking about those fundamental beliefs about life, love, and everything in between. It's like having a built-in compass that guides your journey together, ensuring you're both headed in the same direction. Now, this doesn't mean you have to agree on absolutely everything. A little healthy debate never hurt anyone. But when it comes to the big stuff, like how you view the world, treat others, and approach life's challenges, being on the same page can make all the difference. Think about it. When you both value kindness, respect, and honesty, it creates a strong foundation. These shared values influence how you interact with each other and the world around you. They help you make decisions together, whether it's planning a trip or deciding on major life changes. When challenges arise, and they inevitably will, having those shared values means you tackle them as a team. Celebrating milestones becomes even more meaningful because you know you're building a life based on mutual understanding and respect. It's not just about the big moments though. Shared values enrich the everyday experiences too. From enjoying a quiet moment together to navigating the complexities of life, those core beliefs keep you connected. And let's not forget the joy and laughter that come from knowing you're truly understood by your partner. So, while matching sweatpants are fun, it's the shared values that truly make a relationship thrive. They are the guiding stars that lead you through the journey of life, hand in hand, heart to heart. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about looking good together, but about growing together, building a future that reflects both of your dreams and aspirations. So, cherish those matching sweatpants, but remember, it's the shared values that will see you through the sunsets and the storms. Because matching sweatpants aren't enough, but shared values, they are everything. Section 5, the quirky tango. Embracing the imbalance. So, what's the verdict? Can a relationship with a slight or not so slight affection imbalance actually work? The answer, my friends, is a resounding it depends. Relationships are like a seesaw, constantly shifting and balancing. Sometimes one person gives more, sometimes the other. The key is not in achieving perfect balance at all times, but in understanding and accepting the ebb and flow of affection. It's about recognizing that love is not a static entity. Because at the end of the day, love is a funny thing. It's messy, it's unpredictable, and it rarely follows a set script. Just like a complicated dance routine, it requires patience, practice, and a sense of humor. Embrace the quirks, celebrate the differences, and never underestimate the power of a good laugh. Life throws curveballs, and love is no different. It's the laughter and the shared moments of joy that make the journey worthwhile. Embrace the quirks, celebrate the differences, and never underestimate the power of a good laugh. It's these moments of lightheartedness that strengthen the bond and make the relationship resilient. Because in the grand tango of love, it's not about perfectly synchronized steps, but about finding a rhythm that works for you. And who knows, You might just end up creating a love story that's uniquely, imperfectly, and undeniably yours. So, embrace the imbalance, cherish the imperfections, and dance to your own beat. After all, it's these unique, imperfect moments that make your love story truly special. In the end, it's not about how perfectly you dance, but how much joy you find in dancing together. And guys, don't hesitate to leave your thoughts and comments down below. We love hearing from our community, and we'll do our best to reply to each and every one of you. Subscribe for more insightful discussions on relationships and beyond. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay tuned.